Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're looking to embark on a transformative journey and shed those extra pounds, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to lose weight in just 90 days. It's time to take charge of your health and make positive changes for a happier, healthier you. Let's get started. The first step to successful weight loss is in the kitchen. Let's begin by focusing on a well-balanced diet. Incorporate plenty of fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. These nutrient-rich foods will keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Hydration is key for maintaining your energy levels and supporting your weight loss journey. Be mindful of portion sizes. Eating smaller, balanced meals throughout the day can help you avoid overeating. Now, let's talk about exercise. Incorporating regular physical activity is crucial for burning calories and boosting your metabolism. Mix up your workouts with a combination of cardio exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises. This variety will keep you engaged and help you achieve optimal results. Remember, losing weight in 90 days is achievable, but it's essential to set realistic goals and track your progress. Keep a journal or use a fitness app to monitor your workouts and eating habits. Don't forget to give your body the rest it needs. Proper sleep and recovery are vital for your overall health and weight loss success. At times, the journey might feel challenging, but stay persistent, stay positive, and trust the process. Surround yourself with a supportive community to keep you motivated along the way. There you have it, a blueprint for your 90-day weight loss journey. Remember, everyone's path is unique, so be patient with yourself and celebrate every step of progress. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your incredible journey to a healthier you. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.